Hey everyone, welcome to Chamber Check-In, sponsored by the Chamber of Commerce of the Tonawondas and Schooley Mitchell, your cost reduction experts. With us today, we have Heidi Urban. Heidi and her husband Joe own Platter's Chocolate Factory. Correct, Heidi?
You are correct.
Now,
Super exciting.
how are you doing today?
I'm doing great. It's a beautiful day in North Tonawanda, New York. So things are great.
That's good. Well, I appreciate you taking a little time out so we can get to know you and get to know your business a little bit more. If you can, let's just jump in. Tell me a little bit about you, your background, kind of what you do and what your organization does.
Yeah. So Platter's Chocolates has been in business for 85 years. We started in the basement of Carl's Platter's home, and we have grown to almost 40,000 square feet in the historic Wurlitzer building. So we make chocolates, confections, anything from jellies, caramels, sponge candy. We also make molded chocolates, milk, dark orange, white, little molded novelties, really well known for our orange chocolate. Um, I've been on board at Platters for just over a year, and my husband and I have taken over the helm here. And I previously spent my entire career in technology, so very different than the candy industry, but still, there's a lot of things that are very similar, I guess you might say. So I feel like I'm better connected to the community here. So this is a great opportunity for me to be right in town.
So you're pretty unique in the chocolate space, but Platters itself is pretty unique as well. Now, what kind of differentiates you guys?
Yeah, so I would say that how we best differentiate ourselves with some of our competitors or other great quality companies in the area, we feel that we're really a destination. So you're coming here for an experience. You're going to, be able to, of course, enjoy all of the chocolates that we make. But while you're here, we have all of our production behind glass, so you're able to see what we're doing back there, how we're making things. We have looping videos that explain the process in the pouring room, in the kitchen, and on the line. So it's really a neat opportunity to see, how it works and how we make things here at Platter's Chocolates.
Now, you guys, so you can watch everything, you can see what's going on. You guys, you have the cafe, the ice cream shop. When you walk in, I mean, the aroma hits you, right? I mean, people can come in and sit down and enjoy themselves, or
Yeah, it's pretty amazing, if I say so myself. We have some great space. We have two fireplaces with sofas and really nice, living room like seating that you can come and grab an ice cream and sit and read a book. Bring your softball team or your hockey team in. During the summer, we've got a beautiful patio right outside. Part of it's covered, some of it will let the sun shine through. So it's really a really neat space in a historic building.
so I don't know of many towns that can boast that they have a chocolate factory as a quote unquote third space. You have your home, you have your office, and then people typically go to a coffee shop or a restaurant. But you guys actually have a chocolate factory that can be a third space, right?
That is exactly so. Yeah, we see people come in, like I said, they'll sit in front of the fireplace and watch a little HGTV and enjoy, something from the cafe, or you'll see a first date or a second or third, meetings, business meetings here. It's really that space that creates the sense of community, really, in North Tonawanda and Tonawandas.
Well, I can tell that you love it. Your eyes light up. Forgive me. Your eyes light up like a kid in a candy store. Okay, we're just talking about it. So why is what you do so important to you?
So it's that sense of community that really is allows us to reach many people. We reach many people through different sponsorships. We donate to well over 100 different organizations throughout the year. We also allow for people outside of our community to come to Platters for on a vacation, or we'll host tours. So we're bringing people to our community for community. And I always say, when I use the word community, like the verb community, like people come around. And that's what drives me. That's why I wake up and love coming here every day.
That's awesome. That's very cool. So let me ask you this. So as people are coming in, I'm sure they're in awe of what you have going on. What is the most common question that you get asked when people are standing there and they come in?
Do we get to eat the candy? They love to know if we get to, can we try it and taste it, like us as employees? And so what's really cool is the answer is yes. Like, that's our quality. We don't have a quality control or quality assurance, team. It's everybody here. And, we encourage those in production to have a piece of candy, like when it's coming down the line, or taste it as they're packaging it, just to make sure that it's ever so perfect.
So you put that image in as it coming down. I just have visions of Lucy and Ethel just trying to keep up with it. I mean, I'm sure you don't have anyone that eats that much, but would you say that an employee has a piece of chocolate every day there?
Oh, at least. They have probably, yes, at least.
That's very cool. You had mentioned something about bringing business to the area, which I think is something that's super unique. And you definitely have kind of taken this approach of how can we make the community better. You and I got connected through the chamber. From your perspective, how do you see the value of the chamber in the business community, in the community at large? Yeah,
so I see tremendous value of the chamber, and specifically the Chamber of Commerce of the town of Wanda's. They do so much for the community, bringing people together, bringing businesses together, like-minded people that want to see our community grow, that want to see businesses grow. They want to bring people here where they're here spending their dollars on those other businesses in the area. And I think the chamber does, they have initiatives and different programs that allow for that, which are so important.
So what are the type of chamber events that you like to attend?
So I like to attend everything. I'm pretty social, but those that I find that work really well for me is I enjoy a lot of the committee work that they do. So they've got a number of different committees, the Economic Development Committee, or there's a Gateway Harbor Committee. But I really, for me, enjoy coming around other people that are really passionate about a specific initiative and trying to make positive change or roll out a new program or a new event, and where you can see your work come to fruition. So those are the things that I personally like to do, but I'm not opposed to anything. I love being with people.
So, and you've been involved with the chamber quite a bit. What would be some top tips for success for anyone when it comes to utilizing the chamber?
Yeah. So my first thing is that you get involved. So, someone once told me that, you can sign up for a gym membership, but if you don't show up, you're not going to reap the benefits. So that you can apply to the chamber. So if you get involved, get out there, meet someone, be a part of a committee, show up at an event. But if you can't, and I understand that some people can't, the chamber does a lot of advocacy things and works with government, those behind the scenes things. So if you just join the chamber, you can benefit from those things. And maybe today or this year is where you're just being a part of the chamber. I encourage people to be a part of the chamber, because there's a lot of behind the scenes things that do happen that if you're not able to be active, you're still supporting a really good cause.
Absolutely. All right, Heidi, here is the toughest part of today's discussion. Imagine the audience only has 30 seconds to see us or hear us. What do you want them to know?
Yeah, so I think that I'd like everybody to know, we've been in business, Platter's Chocolates has been in business for 85 years. Coming out to support a local business, family-owned business, you're supporting, we have over 100 employees. You're supporting 100 families, and to be able to touch your community in that way, it's really a amazing opportunity for us.
That's awesome. Well, congratulations to you and the team at Platters for 85 years. We wish you 85 more. This is great. And I look forward to coming out with my computer and making you guys my third space.
I love it. Anytime.